you today's episode is the Seema Khan show.
I'm not a Khan anymore.
Very offended.
I was single for almost 1.5 to 2 years.
Chup, Jyoti.
No!
You all were dating. No.
I've had a bit of fillers. I had my Botox done. I've had Profilo done. I've done laser treatment.
Oh, were you crashing on Dilbar?
Dilbar.
Even over here, you don't want to select Suhail.
Not at all.
आप अपने पार्टनर को शूट कर सकते हैं.
Fair to say that your downfall was कि 4 हफ्ते की MG मिली उसके बाद.
Oh no, I used to feel very often like a bimbo.
मेरी क्या गलती है? That happened on the show. A lot of things happened on the show. He was misogynistic. He was vulgar. He was all of those things. And those are the reasons I can't be his friend.
हाँ नहीं और आज
एक
हम
सेकंड, जो पहले वाली एक्साइटमेंट जो नेचुरल थी ना, वो भी अच्छी है. वहाँ से भी हम शुरू कर सकते हैं.
अगर मैं नेचुरल रहूंगी तो मेरी इतनी ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट नहीं होगी. How do you think today's episode is going to be, guys?
It'll be very
Everybody.
मुझे लग रहा है बहुत फनी होगा, एंटरटेनिंग होगा. पता है क्या है, क्योंकि दोनों में ह्यूमर है
हाँ.
और दोनों ही ताव में रहते हैं.
और जब हम दोनों की बात करें, we're talking about Nikhil Shinappa and we're talking about Seema Sachde, and along with that we have main character energy in.
Angad baby, and also I've come with my tricep today.
Yeah, तो पांच लोग हैं इस शो पे. अंगद, नेहा, निखिल, सीमा and Angad's bicep.
Shut the dollar, pave rolla.
Oh yeah, रोला आज पढ़ने वाला है अंगद, but how far?
बेबी वाह बताओ. मेरे पंच
बेइज्जती
में तुम क्यों
बेइज्जती ना
घुसती
किया
हो?
करो.
नहीं बेइज्जती नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. मेरे पंचेस में तुम क्यों घुसती हो? अपने ऑर्गेनिक लाया करो ना. Why do you have to repeat
music?
a punch?
Time for music because we're going on a double
Double
date.
Okay, I have a question. Which Nikhil has come today? The Chinapa, Pulapa or Pushapa?
I've never heard that one.
Except every day.
Billion times on the internet.
So what do you feel about that?
Double date में स्वागत है निखिल.
Chinapa ka.
Pulapa.
Let's go baby.
Yeah.
Hello there.
Seems.
I don't know what to say. Are you my
Just-
nemesis?
What do you-
Are you my friend?
Am I a friend? No, we're not friends yet.
We're not friends.
Not yet.
Ashwin, why is it freezing in this car?
यार
Is
देखो.
it? It's so hot.
I'm freezing. It's like we're in Switzerland.
Wait यार ये देखो मैं.
देखो हम तो आए डबल डेट पे
हमने
स्विट्जरलैंड
कहा कि-
लेके गए, तुम ऐसे हमारी बेइज्जती मत करो
Wow,
यार.
take us now to
Yeah.
Switzerland. See, Nikhil, we settled for this, yeah.
9 मिनट में हम पहुंच जाएंगे. सीमा एंड निखिल वेलकम ऑन डबल डेट.
Thank
और
you.
डबल डेट की बात हो रही है.
हाँ.
तो आप दोनों मुझे एक बात बताओ. How has the dating scene changed from back then to now? What do you think?
Abhi now there are no dates, all situationships.
Really?
हाँ.
I have no idea, bro. I'm married.
नहीं पर
मैं
आपके
तो
दोस्त भी तो
That
single
doesn't mean
हैं.
you're dead. You're married, but you're not dead.
Yeah, but what do I know about the dating scene?
Guys, I just want to tell you today's episode is the Seema Khan show.
I'm not a Khan anymore. Why?
Sorry.
That's okay.
It is the Seema Sachde
I worked
show.
very hard to
Shoot
make it
me.
as SS
Listen,
shirt.
Guys,
You can-
I asked you a question. You'll have
Okay,
not
Nikhil
even
will talk.
started. जो डेटिंग सिनेरियो है पहले जब हमारे समय में कैसा होता था और अब कैसा है सीमा?
देखिए.
यार मुझे
मैं-
चैट जीपीटी से पूछना पड़ेगा
हाँ.
क्योंकि मेरे पास तो इसका जवाब नहीं है.
नहीं बट आपके दोस्त भी तो होंगे ना. single?
देखिए मैं
मेरे कोई
तो
भी
बस-
दोस्त सिंगल नहीं है. गौरव कपूर एक इकलौता था, उसने भी शादी कर ली.
I was single for almost 1.5 to 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's a lot.
I thought you were going to say weeks.
No. I was with you, Nikhil, before I got married in Shillong for 1 month. What
You
are
all were
you
dating?
talking?
No. She was with us on a shoot of a reality show.
Roadies.
And on that shoot, she was lying to us about her relationship status.
No.
Chup, Jyoti.
No, I literally have told everybody that there is a situation, but that guy is not interested in me.
I was with her on the show Roadies, where she is on camera and off camera. And when it comes to off camera, actually both, I can understand what you mean.
Yeah.
ये तुम्हारे दोनों बेइज्जती कर रही है. दोनों बेइज्जती कर रहे हैं तुम्हारे.
मैं मतलब 3 साल रोज हमेशा 40-40 दिन के लिए अपना फ्रूट, अपनी कॉफी बना के ये निखिल को अपनी बीन्स ग्राइंड करके इसके लिए मैं लेके जाती थी. फ्रॉम टी, फ्रॉम कॉफी, फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. आई वाज हिज कैफेटेरिया एंड ही इज डूइंग माय बेइज्जती. Nick, have you forgotten?
I forgot about the cafeteria. Actually,
You're
you
just
were.
that guy.
You were.
You're just that guy.
See, that I forget things.
But seems what kind of guy is
He's very strict. No. He's a very He's a very intimidating person.
Why was I intimidating? I just wanted to win, and you also wanted to win.
No, but let me
I
tell
don't
you.
think
But-
Seema.
But I
That's why
was
we were in a
also
team
it
together.
I would not be shattered if I didn't win, but he would be shattered if I
Absolutely.
didn't. Yeah.
No, but let me tell
I
you. The
will-
first
I
time
have
I
fun.
met you, I'll tell you, you have that a little bit intimidating personality. क्योंकि जब मैं पहली दफा मैं निखिल चिन्नप्पा से मिला था, जिम में मिला था, लीना मोगरे की जिम में था, और निखिल चिन्नप्पा ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे, और निखिल चिन्नप्पा के साथ एक और लड़का था जो used to look up to निखिल चिन्नप्पा. अब वो the way you were guiding him, it looked like यार this man is a no nonsense man and he knows what he's talking, which is very true about you कि आप बातें तो बहुत अच्छी करते हो क्योंकि आपको knowledge इतनी है, लेकिन you come across a little कि यार इस इंसान से अगर जब बात करेंगे ना तो you need to have your IQ level reached.
Yeah. मतलब you cannot feel.
It's the frown on my face.
No, I used to feel very often like a bimbo.
मेरी कहाँ गलती है?
Do you know when gym is a pickup joint
Which
for
gym?
many?
Which gym is?
Many gyms are pickup joints. You must understand that. Yes.
No wonder
See,
Neha
this-
comes to me to the gym all the time.
This is why I don't know about the
Gym में
dating game.
साथ में आ जाओ.
After the show, see gym memberships go up in better.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks
No.
to Seema.
Fashion designer, stylist, और ये look breakdown करना, ये निखिल ने जो effort मारा, you give him out of 10 is scoring.
Madev. I used to call him on certain days, he looked like Pablo Escobar in the house. He was Pablo. He
From
gave
what
major
angle? I have
Pablo vibes.
I have no idea from what angle.
वो
and why Pablo.
chashme and that look, you know, that stern look, and then those pants. Which were those pants which I loved?
Oh, Asa.
You do skincare?
No.
Nothing at all.
No.
निखिल एक
lovely.
मिनट जब निखिल घर से निकला Dilbar and Nikhil together, Nikhil had 3 times the amount of saman that Dilbar had.
Why?
That's because my stylist kept sending me clothes that I wasn't wearing. I was wearing my own clothes. eventually.
Minnie had got
I just
banana. She
could
said,
not-
Nikhil का सामान खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. Everyone
You were
was.
staying inside her?
Yeah, we were in the headquarters in that house, but Nikhil
Yeah,
had
clothes
so
in
much
boxes.
saman.
And they kept sending me clothes that I'm like this. I left it in the boxes wearing the same t-shirts. This is one of the t-shirts I was wearing on the show.
Was Seema your first choice to be on double date with us after Alliance?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Absolutely not, he
Yeah,
said.
what was Nikhil your first choice? Was Nikhil your first choice to be on double date? You come out.
Yeah, Nikhil was there.
Rubbish! I'm going to show the WhatsApp messages. Nick, who was your first choice to be on double date?
My wife. But I know she never do it.
I know, but from Alliance, if you had a choice.
Yeah, it was from
Seema.
Alliance.
Oh, I figured Minnie.
Okay, Minnie, you say?
This loyalty of Minnie and Nikhil will go down in the books, in history. You could have taken my name, Nikhil.
But I'm just saying, so no, he's come out clean with it. You got to give Professor Saab this.
Okay, chal,
But
yeah.
you also say, na, was he your first choice to come on double date or no?
Not really.
So here was the first choice.
No, Dilbar. You know, actually, the reason I'm so obsessed, I think, is because of you. That very first day, Dilbar.
Even over here, you don't want to select Suhail.
No, Nikhil was a little obsessed with Dilbar in the show.
Oh, were you crushing on this guy?
Not at all.
But listen, there's no harm in appreciating beauty even after you married. है ना? So like when you see a beautiful woman, you like look at her. Like do you admire her beauty?
Just the way I look at a work of art or a building or a fountain or a landscape.
If Pearl sees you admiring a beautiful woman, is that like taken with a pinch of salt?
Aye, more often than not, she's the one who notices her first.
And then she
And
says,
then
"Nick,
says,
look at her."
there's a good looking girl.
Ah, nice.
How long have you all been married for?
20 years. We've known
Wow.
each other for 6 more, so 26 together.
Wow.
Amazing. Nikhil and Seema on double date.
Thanks, Uncle, for the cute.
Yeah, really, Angad. Oh, this is cool.
Lovely, yeah. क्या क्या है background?
Even I didn't know this place existed. What is this? My son will go bananas.
हम हैं Bandra में at Laser and Light, and it's just what a cool setting.
So you
Yeah.
wear that goggle and shoot the person.
But why are you pointing towards
I'm
me?
just asking. Just asking.
ये मियाँ बीवी का too funny.
आप दोनों कैप्टिव रियलिटी में पहली दफा गए हो
हाँ.
You also ना?
Yeah. But that wasn't my downfall. My downfall was that the 3 people in my alliance ganged up against me.
Nikhil, the day Nikhil and Dilbar left the house, उसके 1 घंटे में that whole house like it बिखर गया. Like
कैसे?
some, you know, all the boys got together versus all the most of the girls and the kids, and it got divided. Like उसके पहले we used to all it was a lot of more integration. People were sitting together, chatting together, eating together. ये अभी आधा बाहर, आधा अंदर. People were crying, people were abusing each other, people were hating each other. Everybody was talking about the other person. It had become like, I was like, ये क्या हो गया? It was like a war zone.
Because you're coming from two different like game shows / reality shows. Which one was harder for you?
I think Roadies was more brutal.
Brutal.
This one was easier, but because it was easier, that was also my failing.
Say more.
No, so you took it lightly, did you?
No.
No, you take it too seriously.
I couldn't step down. Problem with me was I went in with the intention to play the game, and I played it with the Roadies intensity. And then in 2 days I had to dial it down because a couple of kids got scared.
Seema, what made you say yes to Alliance?
Reliance.
What made you, Seema?
Reliance को तो मैं आज भी हाँ बोल दूँ यार, कभी भी बोल दूँ मैं हाँ.
No, but what the thing is that you come across as a person like you South Mumbai में आप you grew up there, then you moved to Bandra. Means
तो क्या मुझे स्नॉब बोलना चाह रहा है?
नहीं.
तो फिर
Snob नहीं बोले. The thing is, you get out of your comfort
Say
zone.
हाँ ना.
No, actually क्या हुआ था कि I believe a lot in signs. I know I sound a little पागल, but these shows kept coming to me. और ये conversation चल रही थी, and I had said like I thought बाकी सबकी तरह I'm not going to do it. 3 दिन में पता नहीं मुझे क्या हो गया. They said कि you know what, this show, then I heard कि who all were the contestants, and a few of them I already knew, and believe it or not, Nikhil and Minnie were at the top of my list. I said ये दोनों कर रहे हैं तो it will be too good, yeah. How can I say no to this? And I just thought to myself कि you know what, if ever I am going to do something like this will be now. And I am one of those people like I like to tick everything off my bucket list. अभी मैं अपने आप को देख सकते हैं in the mirror and say ये भी मैंने कर लिया. और क्या रह गया है, ये भी मैंने कर लिया, ट्राई कर लिया, लगा तो लगा. If I didn't like it, I didn't like it. But surprisingly, I am a people's person and I really did enjoy it. I enjoyed it for the people's the whole part of making alliances with people I found the easiest. I jumped head in first and then it's बाद में देखा जाएगा. When I did Bollywood Wives, I was the only one who was on board. All the other girls was, are you crazy? We got to think about this angle and we got to think about. तो देखा जाएगा यार, तब का तब देखा जाएगा.
Have you seen Bollywood Wives?
In fact, when she walked in, I asked Aslan, ये कौन है?
You didn't know who
But I'm a actor.
Why would I?
You have come
No,
on the show for Nikhil and he doesn't know.
But Nikhil is a very
But I don't
famous
watch
professor
TV.
now.
Okay.
I've never watched No Filter, Neha.
Actually, there's a lot to learn from Nikhil. I actually, as much as he infuriated me with his intelligence, because I think it was infuriating because I was feeling dumb.
You know what we should get? We should actually get those toys where you stack with different colored donuts. So if we had those rings, I could show you how the overthinking actually worked and how we executed that task, because while everybody was figuring it out,
We had finished it.
we had thought through the entire task and then we briefed each person on what to do and then we just executed it.
है क्या हमारे पास ring?
Wow!
ये है.
Task was we had 4 donuts.
क्या करना क्या था? Break it down. Assuming people haven't seen that episode.
तो एक हमारे पास ऐसे स्टैक था, यहाँ पे 4 डोनट्स थे और 2 खाली पोल्स थे. We had to move all the donuts to another pole, any pole, but in the same order. और एक रूल था कि छोटे डोनट पे आप बड़ा डोनट नहीं डाल सकते.
नहीं डाल सकते.
बड़े डोनट
At
पे
any
छोटा
point.
डोनट डाल सकते. तो ये देखने के बाद I actually figured out the entire sequence in my head before we started the task.
Okay.
And then we explained to each person. Seema was going first, then Payal was going, then Dilbar, then me. So we told everybody कि आपको ये करना है, इसको यहाँ से उठाना है, वहाँ पे डालना है, इसको यहाँ से उठाना है, उसको वहाँ पे डालना है.
यहाँ पे Nikhil Chinnappa's mastermind came to. I cannot tell you. We had finished long before them.
हाँ तो किया क्या आपने?
So first Seema went. She took number 1.
And I put it on hold.
Just hold it with you.
Okay.
Hold it with
You
right?
give your hand.
Yeah.
Or I'll give my third hand. Yeah.
Then, so that goes to Angad. Okay. Then the third person goes running around and takes this and puts it
On top of that.
there.
Oh, okay.
And leaves
That
this.
frees this up. Then you take this one and put it here.
Runs around and comes and puts this one here.
Then you run around and take this one and put
Put
it
it
here.
back here. All running in one direction. So the other person runs, leaves this, comes to this, takes this, runs back, put it this.
Okay. Then you run around, take this and,
And put it here.
हाँ
Then you run around, take this and put it here.
हाँ
That frees up. So this is key.
हाँ.
You've got to free this up to take this out you have to have an empty pole and you have to have these stacked in sequence. So then you take this out and you put it there. Then you take this out and put it here. Then you take this out, you put it here. You take this out and put it here.
Then my man
And you
will
take
be
this
put
out
down.
and put it there. You take this out, put it here.
Oh,
You
wow.
take this out, put it there. Take this out and put it there.
That's just.
Would you be able to do this,
So we
Angad?
did this mentally. I did this mentally before the task started, and I told each one of the players what you've got to pick up and where you've got to put it.
इसी में मैं गिरी इतना फटाक से गिरी
और
I
मैं
can't
एक बात बोल दूं बस यहाँ पे, वाकई आपकी इंटेलिजेंस आपके रास्ते में आ गई, वरना आप शो जीत जाते।
Are the Bollywood wives, are they real friends or transactional friends?
No, I wouldn't call them transactional at all. We were friends before the show as well.
Friends
We
with
were-
benefits.
We've been friends with benefits since the last 30 years and counting. So that I don't think, Bollywood Wives has ended now. It's been nearly 2 years. So everyone has gone their separate ways in the sense that you fall out of the sense, not fall out as such, but you fall out of touch. Like you kind of make your, you move into a different zone, you move into a different zone. Those who stick together, stick together.
And how.
हमारे बीच में भी तो यही हुआ था. At one point in time, we were doing yoga twice a week. Now
I
you don't even call.
No, I call. I still can't afford the trainer. I'm still telling you, let's do 50-50. Mine is very transactional with Nikhil. But no, I want to ask you, how fabulous is actually the lives of the Bollywood wives?
It's actually, when you say fabulous, we're very privileged, but at the end of the day, we also have the same issues that other people have. It's not like, in the sense, when I remember I got trolled for that thing, our lives are also mundane, but they are, dude. They are, we have the same issues, na. When I did my first YouTube vlog, said, ये क्या कर रही है तू, टमाटर इतना मतलब इतना महंगा है, I'm like, gold? These kind of conversations we're having with them, every household, it doesn't matter how privileged you are, but I'm saying at the end of the day, our lives are pretty much electrician को बुलाओ, plumber को बुलाओ, ये करो, बच्चों को स्कूल से ले आओ.
And at some point in one of your videos, you said कि हम अगर privilege की बात करें, कि कहीं पे you wanted to do that ponytail.
Facelift, हाँ, वो that is privilege too.
Do you know one thing before anything? Nikhil, when we say ponytail facelift, आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
What's a ponytail?
I'm assuming it does exactly what it says on the tin. That you pull your hair back so much that it pulls your face up.
Explain.
Yes, it's true. Facelift जो है ना सिर्फ आधी वाली है, यहाँ से यहाँ. It's not the full. उसको एक कहते हैं vertical, वो जो पूरा they remove the full flap of the face, वैसी वाली नहीं है. It's just a nip and a tuck around here. So you can eat the nip and tuck, Nikhil.
मेरे को तो कुछ समझ
But
नहीं
tell
आता.
me on the show.
But does it scare
I'm
you?
very curious.
What?
Yeah,
I don't get scared of all
You have
this.
spoken very openly.
I don't get of all this. तो जो भी है मैं सब try कर
No,
लेती
but tell me.
But you are अगर general anesthesia में जाके अगर वो कहेंगे facelift आराम करा लो.
हाँ, आराम से हल करा लो.
No, but what
आपको
have you
डर नहीं
got
लग रहा
done
उसका?
till now? What have you got done till now?
I've had a bit of fillers, I had my Botox done, I've had Profilo done, I've done laser treatments. I've not done fillers in a while because in the middle it was, I didn't need it, I felt. But yeah,
You're looking fab.
thanks, good job na?
ये fillers.
थोड़ा करके now I do
Fab or
थोड़ा.
fat?
Fab.
Fab, bro.
Fab
I do
is life.
थोड़ा.
Do 20-year-old and 30-year-old men hit on?
Uncle, don't ask these
Very
questions.
sad.
I'm
No,
just
why?
saying
What's
male
wrong in
attention.
that? Male attention
No,
will be
I-
younger men, like you look at me,
Male
you're fit, you're
attention
fabulous, you're
mostly,
gorgeous.
but from much younger, but I don't want to play mommy anymore.
How did you start DJing?
My wife taught me. Pearl taught me.
I've never asked you this. How did you start?
So she was the DJ before I was the DJ, and then I used to watch her
Really
play.
sorry.
तो वो मुझसे
आपने DJing कैसे शुरू किया?
वो मुझसे पहले डीजे थी और जब वो घर पे प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी तो एक दिन मैंने भी कहा कि मुझे भी कोशिश करना है और क्योंकि मैं डांस फ्लोर पे मैंने इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया था तो डांस फ्लोर के थियोरीज मुझे आते थे.
आपका इतना बड़ा फैन बेस है, आप इतने लोगों के सामने, लाखों लोगों के सामने म्यूजिक बजाते. शेयर एक एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट अपना. टेल मी एक तो एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट हो.
टाइम में कुछ नहीं यार.
नहीं, no girl has come up to you and said, Nikhil, you're married, but if you weren't.
ये तो कभी होता ही नहीं है बिकॉज द कंसोल बिकम्स अ नेचुरल बैरियर. आप अंदर होते हो और आपके चारों तरफ ये कंसोल मशीनरी होता है, कोई आपको अप्रोच नहीं
Big
करता.
nights, Nick. Big nights. Things happen. Is there any time been like this moment कि वो अब मैं DJ कर रहा हूँ and shit has hit the ceiling?
Never.
That's
There is no situation that you can't recover from. There means so normally आप दो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के साथ प्ले करते हो, दो CD प्लेयर्स होते हैं. अभी पहले दो टर्न टेबल्स हुआ करते थे एंड टर्न टेबल्स वर फार मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. तो एक बार हुआ था पूना में जब एक टर्न टेबल खराब हो गया था and we had to swap a turntable out while playing, which is a crazy thing to do because the cables and the wires and then balancing and setting the turntable. उस दिन turntable अपने उसके जो stands होते हैं ना, जो 4 पैर होते थे उसके, we never played on the legs because the vibrations was so much that you used to unscrew the legs and put squash balls under the legs to absorb the vibration of the turntables. Then when you set the turntable up, you've got to connect the earthing and the cables and the power source, and then you have to balance out the tone arm, the arm that sits there. So all of this was happening while one DJ is playing over here and one turntable is being taken out and disconnected, another turntable is being put in. So all those situations happen. जब public आपको देख रही है कि ये सब हो रहा है, they're also forgiving. उनको भी मजा आ रहा है कि देखो सामने तमाशा चल रहा है.
हाँ, आपने बोला था because we all know सोहेल भाई and I really love. उनकी वजह से मुझे एक फिल्म भी मिली थी, टाइगर जिंदा है, जो मैंने बताया भी था. आपने बोला था, वो एक क्लिपिंग आई थी, मैंने देखी थी, बहुत प्यारी थी. आपने कहा मैं जा रही, I think I should go, and he said no. That really, brought tears in many people's eyes.
He was, see, the thing is that this show was far harder for him than it was for me.
And why is that?
Because he is, again, he gets along with everybody, but he's not too much, he doesn't make too many conversations, he doesn't really, correct me if I'm wrong, you notice that, he stays more to himself, for me, I'm a people's person. मुझे आप छोड़ दो in a bunch of random new people also. I enjoy it. I like to meet new people, have conversations, and get to know people. I may not like you at the end of it, but at least I'm ready to do that. With him, he likes his comfort zone.
Everybody looked at Sohail as Sohail bhai, and there was always a bit of a distance, which is why nobody really got close to him, nor could he get close to anybody else. Because everybody held him in this awe and this aura, which was not the best fun for him.
Correct.
He just wanted to be one of the boys and one of the contestants जो कभी उसके साथ शायद हुआ ही नहीं.
जैसे जो वो कह रहा था ना निखिल की वो जो I can use this word buck they were doing. You can't do buck with him.
तो ये कहना ठीक रहेगा कि अगर सोहेल भाई घर में नहीं होते, बिहेवियर पैटर्न बिल्कुल अलग होता लोगों का.
I will tell you something.
I've done enough of these shows, and in fact on one of my reviews I also said, the last task जब सोहेल भाई परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया और डेजी और असला ने वो टास्क किया था, वो टास्क हार गए और उनको किसी को नॉमिनेट करना था. तो मैंने अपने रिव्यू में लिखा कि अगर मैं उनके जगह में होता तो आई वुड जस्ट वोट सोहेल आउट. आई वुड से सोहेल, नो हार्ड फीलिंग्स, बाहर जाके तो हम ड्रिंक्स करेंगे, पार्टी करेंगे, वील हैंग आउट टुगेदर, बट शो में अगर आपने परफॉर्म ही नहीं किया, आपने कोई रिस्क नहीं लिया, तो इम्यूनिटी आपको कैसे मिल सकती है? जिन 2 लोगों ने वो गेम खेला उनको मिलना चाहिए ना.
No, but also,
but everybody was like, हम तो सोहेल भाई को कैसे कर सकते हैं, हम तो सोहेल भाई.
That's what I'm.
And that just was like, I don't think he liked that too much. I don't think he liked being put on that kind of a pedestal.
जहाँ एक थोड़ा ऐसा लगा था हमें, because हम तो एडिट ही देख रहे हैं ना, अंदर घर में क्या हो रहा है हमें तो नहीं पता. आपकी एक क्लिप मैंने देखी थी जहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा था कि you almost got to blows.
वो हुआ नहीं था, कुशाल के साथ हुआ था. कुशाल.
Did you end up becoming friends with Kushal? What first impressions tell us?
नहीं, वो तो very difficult for that to happen because उनका mindset और मेरा mindset बहुत.
What kind of a person was Kushal?
Or tell us, break it down for us. हमें नहीं मालूम.
I'll take your question first. कुशाल के साथ ऐसा हुआ कि वंशज जब आया वो उड़ गया उसकी तरफ जाने के लिए, and I saw that यार ये थोड़ा aggression वो चलता, हमने भी बहुत देखा है. But it came to a point where मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि गलती से अगर किसी का हाथ उड़ गया ना तो फिर the entire season the show will head in a direction that none of us wanted. So I got in the middle to say भाई जो बोलना है बोलो मगर हाथ मत उठाओ.
तो किसने किस पे
So
हाथ उठाया?
in that situation Kushal went past me, and as he went past me I held his hand and I pulled him back, and then he pushed me away. यही हुआ बस.
But that is
ऐसे
wrong.
किया उसने.
Why can he? How is it allowed? You allowed to push?
नहीं यार.
He didn't.
bro,
You know what he tried to do? He tried to do this.
It's
He
fine.
didn't see
Listen.
कौन है.
He pushed like that, but it's amongst guys, and that's my whole point. लड़कों के बीच में यार ये मत कर वो हो जाता है. ऐसे कुछ aggression, मेरे खिलाफ कोई aggression नहीं था, वो ऐसे में हो गया. So there was no fight. Clip में ऐसे दिखाया गया कि यार there was a situation, but there was really no situation. Second thing, can Kushal and I ever be friends? No, because the way we think about life and humanity and people is very different. But if I'm in a battle, would I want Kushal in the trench next to me? Yes. Because he's the kind of guy who will take a bullet for his friend.
That's a very good lie. It's the best quality.
That's
ever.
a very different quality.
Yeah.
Magar can I
But then does he want to be his friend?
Can I abide by the things he says कि लड़कियाँ ऐसी होती हैं, मैं ऐसे तो मैं तो सिर्फ foreigners को मैसेज करता हूँ क्योंकि foreigner girls ऐसी हैं, to imply that Indian girls are, वो सब मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता.
There's a very
He
big
says these
difference.
That happened on the show.
That happened on the show. A lot of things happened on the show. He was misogynistic, he was vulgar, he was all of those things. And those are the reasons I can't be his friend.
But before that, I have a few more questions. There was a little bit of crossfire between you and Gaur. Do we need to clarify that? What happened? But why is she upset with you?
I don't know.
Speaking of menopause and perimenopause, you've spoken very openly about it. How's it been for you?
Hell on wheels.
Really?
Hell on wheels. Hence, Nikhil Chinappa to my rescue, peptides, please. I will be trying peptides, and then you can watch
So-
my show, and I'll tell you all about it with Nikhil Chinappa.
Are you on peptides, Nick?
The thing-
Yes.
yes, I
On
am.
Seema, what's the page called?
The thing with
Seema
that girl,
Sajde.
the thing with that girl was, it's again my own intelligence getting in my way.
Which girl?
There were many. There were a few layers there, which I later realized, like, why am I trying to do something with layers? Because obviously it's not going to fall.
Nick, we've never spoken about this. If you're comfortable, अगर आप बात करेंगे, you know, you had a few years ago, या 5 या 10 साल पहले, you had this autoimmune issue, health issue, और क्योंकि अब कैमरा के आगे भी हैं, सब कुछ हैं. सबसे पहले तो बहुत लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता है कि autoimmune होता क्या है. क्या हुआ आपकी जिंदगी में? कैसे हुए डायग्नोसिस? कैसे आपने ठीक किया? Tell us a little bit about it.
In a nutshell, autoimmune condition वो होता है जहाँ पे आपका शरीर का डिफेंस सिस्टम आपके ही शरीर को अटैक करता है. One of them is your thyroid gland. My thyroid gland started to produce too much of thyroxine. और मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं 10 घंटे सो रहा हूँ, 8 घंटे सो रहा हूँ रात को, मगर I'm still waking up in the morning. When this was happening was October, November, December, which in my industry, हमारे इंडस्ट्री में बहुत बिजी टाइम होता है, बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं. मैं उस टाइम पे म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल भी कर रहा था, गोवा में बहुत टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा था. And then finally when I got time in January, I took a blood test and it popped up my thyroid was off the charts. And one of the things that happens sometimes with thyroid is that it kicks off a second illness called thyroid eye disease, where your eyes get very puffy. And that's what happened with my eyes.
Oh
They
my
got
God, I didn't know that.
ridiculously puffy. In fact, one eye was almost out of its socket. And that's when I was...
And vision?
No problem with vision. तो ऐसा हो रहा था कि मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, मगर लोग मुझे देख रहे थे और कह रहे थे कि भाई क्या हो गया तेरे को. So that's when I started wearing dark glasses because I just got tired of answering people's questions. And then I just, MTV said कि come and do roadies. I said, can I wear dark glasses? They said, okay, no problem. So I started DJing in dark glasses. I started wearing dark glasses all the time, and glasses just became part of my personality.
I have one last question.
I want to talk, please, Angad, one thing. एक मिनट.
हाँ तो
तू
बट
तो बात नहीं करने दे रहा है
नहीं, वो
अपनी बीवी
पूरा
को.
कर
क्या
रहा
हो
है.
रहा है?
I'm not asking.
हाँ पूछो.
No, please ask.
सीमा, do you miss a man in your life?
At the end of a day, a long day, I want to go home to my dogs. If I have another human being sitting there, I may not be okay with it. As in, I think I've become accustomed to being. I'm very happy by myself. I'm very self-sufficient. I'm very, I don't get scared. ऐसा होता है ना, many people are very scared to be alone in life. Eventually, but I actually like my own company. Yeah, I would like companionship. I would like
That's the
someone.
word.
Companionship. I would like companionship. I'd like someone I can travel with, enjoy good food and places, and you know what I'm saying, that with. But otherwise, I'm very happy with my own company.
All right, this is the very famous board game.
Ha, chal.
Who's friendlier?
So easy.
But हमें इसकी भी explanation चाहिए. Sweet. Give us the explanation. Every time your name comes up, you give the explanation.
I am a super friendly person. I don't let anyone feel intimidated. Any inputs, Nikhil?
My point is, how can you not be friends with somebody who gives the entire house free jumpers,
Yeah.
t-shirts,
Yeah.
hoodies, सबके लिए,
Yeah.
और भर भर के,
मुझे तो नहीं दिया।
not just one piece.
पहले एक बार भेजा ना, you
पहले
know
मैंने
what?
सारे पहन लिए हैं.
वही डिजाइन है भाई. मैंने
3
कुछ
साल
नए
हो गए
बनाए.
हैं.
मैंने
I
कुछ
also
बनाया
want to
नहीं.
push- Okay, I'm gonna ask.
Who's more dramatic?
Drama is my middle name.
जो सबसे गंदा काम था ना वहाँ पे, जब आपको alliances तोड़ के दोबारा बनाने पड़ते थे.
Yeah, I hated
And Seema would
that
just be
because
like-
I'm a people's person and I'm sensitive when it comes to these things, and I couldn't understand why they were behaving like such.
Who's more stylish, Nick, between the two of you?
I mean, like ये
I
भी
mean,
कोई
like,
पूछने
ये
वाली
वाली
बात
बात
है.
है.
ये भी कोई पूछने वाली बात है.
But I mean, Asa pants are going viral.
फिर भी.
He has to send me a free pen.
Seema. What a dash. Who's more likely to walk through a glass door?
Oh, you mean like on purpose or by
Yeah, no,
mistake?
No, by mistakenly.
Walking by mistakenly.
Huh?
Asa said
आपको
by
पता है ना,
mistake.
by mistakenly is the word now.
By mistakenly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's more likely to walk through a glass door?
ये मेरे से होता रहता है. I have actually done it.
Tell.
I have done it once and I have gone straight in and I have blue bindi here for many days.
A reality competition for you, Nick should go on, Nick, Seema should go on. एक
हाँ.
reality competition एक और बताओ.
But Seema should go on.
I have my answer ready. खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
World's dirtiest jobs.
Yeah. I think it will be hilarious.
And why would you think that I would do this?
Because it would
Have
be,
you
I
met
would
me?
pay to watch that content because
Yeah,
you
but
would just be
what
so out
would
of place.
Why would you think that I would even do it?
You'd be terrified.
Terrified, I would never go near it.
In the next question now, सिर्फ Alliance के what's it called house headquarters.
Headquarters
में जितने लोग थे आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं. Amongst the audience, who do you think won the show?
According to me, Ruhi.
Oh really?
तो ये मैंने थोड़ा cheating किया है, Agu, because I also spent time on Reddit and I was reading all the Reddit threads. The uniform opinion on Reddit was, if Agu hadn't sided with Ali and Ali had not cast him away, that Agu was a worthy, deserving winner of the show because he's very smart, very strong, played very well.
Strong and can brains.
The uniform opinion about Ruhi was she was fantastic for the first 4 weeks, but ever since she got into Ali's shadow, her aura kind of dropped off.
Who got paid the most?
You can't take Sohail's name.
Can I show?
Of course.
Me.
And how much was that?
No.
How many weeks MG?
No. Nikhil takes everything very seriously. He
Usha?
writes it seriously.
For speaking extra.
No?
No.
Because on the show, people were on a weekly paycheck. He was there for 6 weeks and I kind of know what he got paid.
Yeah.
Angad, you want to ask the next one? Should I?
If you were the producer, वो 3 जन का नाम बताओ who you would try to get next year.
See, one is my Bollywood wife, Bhavna. She is very competitive. She's very competitive. Challenges I don't know, lekin she's very competitive. Second is this Abhishek Sharma.
Why?
Because he's very cute and he'd be really good eye candy on the show. Besides that, I've just been seeing a lot of his work. I think he would be amazing at the tasks and all of it. And other than that, and that is you.
Why?
I think you'd be great at the show because you'd be good at the tasks and you've got to see the season 1. You've thoroughly investigated us and done this. You would be very
That's
good at the show.
amazing, Angad.
Yeah, you would be good at the
Yeah,
show.
I keep telling him he should go for these shows, but he always says, please turn.
Yeah.
Saif,
You
Abhishek Bachchan, Neha Dhupia.
Okay, now tell us.
So,
Why Saif?
I think they might actually get to this casting in year 5 for the 5th anniversary of Alliance because everybody can see that this is a show जहाँ पे आपकी बेइज्जती नहीं होगी, आपको जलील नहीं किया जाएगा, and you can actually play games and compete with people of your own community.
But
They can figure that out.
why have you written my name?
Because you would be the tadka in the mix. Because
I'm
there's
so
only,
quiet.
out of these 3 people, only one of them have guts.
Abhishek.
That's you.
Okay, now last question, guys. Between Angad and me, who has a better chance of winning season 2 of Alliance if we both win
Winning
the
where
house?
you reach?
Sorry, Angad.
No, it's fine. Really?
Yeah.
That's a divided opinion. Wait, let's hear Seema's first.
I have known Neha for quite a fair few years and I have to say that please don't underestimate her. She can give any one of you boys around fair money.
Thanks, Seema.
See, the thing is, I'm assuming that Neha will come with the same baggage that I arrived with. कि ये इसने रोडीज किया है, बहुत smart है, बहुत दिमाग
लेकिन
बहुत ही
अभी तो
तेज
सीख गई ना।
है, बहुत शातिर दिमाग है, and
नहीं वो तो है सर,
बिल्कुल है.
मैं तो देख रहा हूँ.
Neha is a hustler. You got to be careful of her. You can never tell what she's thinking.
ऐसे किया मैंने कभी आपके साथ निखिल शो पे?
Of course.
No, but
But
she
the
can
thing
throw
is-
anybody under the bus. मैं रोज बस के टायर के नीचे
She will come to the show with a trust deficit, whereas Angad will come with great trustworthiness because he's a lad, बंदा है. He can hang out with people.
यही मैंने बोला है तुम्हारे
लोग
बारे में.
इसको बचाएंगे, लोग आपको निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे.
Yeah.
Maybe मैं ही निकालूंगा तुम्हें.
जब नेहा को
वो ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट की बात मुझे
जब
बहुत
नेहा को डिलीट किया जाता है ना तो अंगद खड़ा होगा and he'll say get your wife's name out of your mouth. ऐसे, मैं जाऊंगा, नेहा नहीं जाएगी.
तुम सैक्रिफाइस कर दोगे ना
मैं
अंकल
बिल्कुल sacrifice
तुम
करूंगा.
कितने बड़े ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट बन
मैं भैया
जाओगे
पूछो क्यों मैं
प्लानिंग पे
sacrifice
चलो
करूं?
प्लानिंग
I
पे
know I'll sacrifice. क्योंकि ये तो रहेगी ना कम से कम 3-4 हफ्ता करके.
What was the exact Will Smith line? Get my wife's name out of your mother mouth.
Not take the wash name.
ऑलराइट ऑन दैट नोट
अंगद मारेगा सिस्टम को एक थप्पड़.
Okay, finish
और ये
हो गया
खुद
ना?
निकल जाएगा.
नहीं ऑन दैट नोट अभी खत्म का हुआ है
अच्छा।
अभी तो आपको गोलियां भी खानी है चले हमारे साथ
Oh,
Come
अच्छा
on.
अच्छा.
How cool is this, guys? For the first time ever on Double Date. निखिल आप बताना चाहते हैं अपने बारे में कुछ because I want to tell you he's a national level shooter.
But I've never used a laser gun before.
Do you know he's a national level shooter?
Shut up.
Yeah.
Back
Is
then.
there anything Nikhil doesn't know?
Yeah. Be nice.
आप अपने पार्टनर को शूट कर सकते हैं।
अंदर प्रोटेक्ट द बेस, प्रोटेक्ट द बेस। ओहो, अरे
It's red.
You're bloody freezing me! Okay, guys. I'm out. Arjun? Nikhil, bye!
You see.
I see you soon. I see you soon.
हाँ? Oh my God, guys, हम जीत गए। सीमा कहीं नहीं दिखी।
Ramesh,
Yeah!
हम जीत गए।
I'll tell you where my victory is. We have beaten Mastermind Nikhil Chinnappa. अगर आपको भी उतना ही मजा आया जितना हमें आया, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment. We love you all.